Good morning. I did a video a couple weeks ago, I believe, gave a December update on some new construction, new happenings on the Subic Bay Freeport Zone, old U.S. Naval Base here in the Philippines. Today, I just wanted to touch on a couple things that I did not put on the other video. So this is kind of a mid-December update, a week before Christmas. So Merry Christmas if I don't do another video before then, but Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone out there watching. I appreciate your time. But the first thing is they're building a Wilcon Premier off Simpson Road. It's in the Meat Plus parking lot. I believe it was an old Navy PX or Exchange back in the day. It's been a couple different things since, but that's where it's going in at. It's kind of right down the street is Army Navy restaurant. And it's not that far from the waterfront as well. But Wilcon Premier, I know they seem to be putting it up pretty quick. I know since last week, I believe they've been stocking it up. So putting in different merchandise, appliances, all that good stuff. They're putting it in. I expect it to be open very soon, maybe before Christmas or by the first of the year. But I'm thinking very soon the way they're going on it. Second thing I want to mention is on Argonaut Highway across from Pure Gold. Kind of catty corner to Pure Gold, right across the street from this Cherry dealership, car dealership, is a new outlet going in. And the first thing I noticed going up sign for a store is Nike. I heard that Nike was going to be the biggest in the Philippines. That's just rumor. I don't know for a fact, but that's just what I hear through the grapevine. They have those things here already in the outlet stores. I'm not sure why they're building another one, but maybe they want more space, bigger, better. I really don't know, but that's what's going up there. So the new outlet, I don't know what else will go in there, but when I know, I'll put it out in another video. And then also the Wilcon. So those are two things going up. Now I did mention Kon-Tiki restaurant from, I believe, on my last video a little bit. But I'll include some of that. I actually went there and ate a couple times since it's open, I believe on the 10th, last Wednesday or so. And it was good, very good. It's always been one of my favorite places in the Subic Bay area. I was eating there when they were over at Blue Samba Resort, kind of when you leave SBMA going to Barreto. It's kind of out that way, in between, I would say, the base and Barreto. But they moved. Last ate there like in May. I left to go to the U.S. in May, and then I believe they closed that in June to open the establishment on the Freeport Zone, which they have done. Like I said, I think they were supposed to open in August, but they did get open in December 2025, and they're right across from the Yacht Club, right next to the new Starbucks, and it's in the Commerce Bank building. I believe it's Commerce. And the Commerce Bank building, there's ATM outside, so if you need an ATM, and then Kon-Tiki's kind of in the back there, back in the parking lot there. So that's right beside Starbucks. So that's where it's situated. I had to give it 2 thumbs up. The food remains outstanding, at least what I had. I really like the raw fish dishes, such as poke, such as ceviche, and it's just really good. I really can't go wrong. I'm hearing also that hopefully on the new menu, they had an opening menu, but I think they're going to put out a new menu. Probably a lot of the same things, but I was told from a good source they're probably going to have fish tacos on there. Their tacos are really good. They had them a lot when they were doing the food fest. Their tacos are really good. I would recommend their margaritas, but definitely they have good tacos. But I hear fish tacos will be going on there. They have quesadillas and nachos as well. I saw the nachos huge. So they've got that going on. But yeah, well worth the try. If you want steak, they have that. You want pork chops, Burgers, their burgers excellent. I really like their fish burger. It's really good. It's mahi, so mahi fish for the fish burger. But you'll see it on this video. I'm going to play it after this, just to give you a glimpse of the interior. And they have inside and outside. It's not a huge place, but they do have outside seating in the front, on the side, and the back. And on the inside, I'd say they can seat maybe 25 or 30 people, including the bar. The bar is quite large, and they got a lot of stools around it and a few tables inside. But yeah, it's I know SBMA has higher rent, so I'm sure to get a big place, it would cost you quite a few dollars. But anyway, good location, high traffic area, right down from where the fair is located, across from the yacht club, right next to the Starbucks. So there you go. New restaurant, highly recommended. They have most of the Western type stuff. So there you go. So that's really all I want to talk about. Like I said, after this, I'll give you a glimpse of Kon-Tikis and stuff. And thanks for watching. If I don't do another video, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. If I don't do one before then, if I do, I'll greet you again. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. And take care always.